If you've been getting some value from these videos and all of these tips that I've been giving you, and you want to go in deeper and really know how to use these techniques in your life, I have a wonderful workshop coming up on May 17th. It's right here in Livermore, California. And the event is Breakthrough Barriers. Experience abundance from the inside out. You're going to be able to see the opportunities that are right there before you by getting that self-sabotage out of the way and letting go of getting in your own way. We're going to play with $100,000 so that your filter has an experience of having money in your life. And you're going to learn to reprogram that filter. You'll also learn all of these techniques that we talked about so you can get your own answers. So please come and join me on May 17th. It's a full day event, 9 to 5. I call it a workshop, but maybe we should call it a play shop. So I hope to see you there.